Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide the WhatsApp on your Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. This is where you can access all your device's settings. Step 2. From the Settings menu, look for the search bar option at the top of the screen and tap on it. The search bar makes it easy to find specific settings quickly. Step 3. Now, in the search bar, type Hidden Apps. This will bring up a list of settings related to your device's apps options. Step 4. From the search results, find the Hidden Apps option on the screen and click on it. Step 5. In the Hidden Apps menu, you will see the WhatsApp option on the screen, which option is currently disabled. Step 6. To hide WhatsApp, simply tap on the option to turn it on. You've successfully hid the WhatsApp on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.